everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. In today's video, we are going to discuss a new vowel digraph. In the previous video, we discussed two vowel digraphs which are A and E. If you have not watched that video, I'll provide the link in the description box below. Let's move on to today's video where vowel digraph or vowel team I and E combine together to make a single sound, which is I. When two vowels go for walking, the first one does the talking. So you can hear only the first vowel name, which is I. Now let us take a look at some of the words with vowel digraph I and also how to read it. The first word is P-I, pie. D-I, die. I, lie. T-I, tie. K-r-eyed, cried. K-r-eyed, cried. F-r-eyed, fried. D-r-eyed, dried. F-l-eyes, flies. Here you can see the vowel digraph I at the end of the word and also in the middle of the words. Now let us take a look at some of the worksheets to practice the I sound. Here I have given some words. Now kid has to decide whether he has to use I or E. For example, the first word is sh, E. So he has to use the vowel digraph E. The next word is s, w, eat. Again it is E. The next one it is p-eyes, pies. Next one eat. So the digraph we have to use is E. T-I, tie. The next one it is the vowel digraph B-E, B. The next worksheet is to fill in the blanks using vowel digraph I words. So let's read the sentence. Do not tell blank to your parents. Do not tell lies to your parents. Water the plant or it will, which word to use? It will die. He ate a slice of pie. So he has to write pie here. I will blank a bow on the gift. So which word to use? I will tie a bow on the gift. The next worksheet is to practice reading. Kid has to read this passage and underline the I words in this passage. So let's read the passage. Jack was always hungry. One day Jack's mother baked a huge apple pie. Jack was taking the pie to the fair on the corner. Jack tied his shoelaces and put on his tie. So kid has to read this passage and find the words with I sound. This is a nice worksheet. Here kids are practicing reading as well as they are recognizing I words. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to it. See you all again with another video. Thanks for watching.